Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. I have found the most gorgeous rattan wicker tissue box cover. It is so adorable. This cover from MINHKUST holds my 128 two-ply box of Scotties tissues and makes grabbing a tissue have a touch of elegance. It looks beautiful displayed in my bathroom, and I can't really decide if I like it in my bedroom better. But I do love wicker, and this fits perfectly into my style. I really appreciate that this rattan wicker comes from water hyacinth grown in Vietnam. I love the beautiful detail and workmanship of the Vietnamese artisans. It ships very fast, and in no time, you'll be grabbing your tissues with beautiful style. So if you're looking for a very decorative tissue box cover holder, then look no further because this one is gorgeous in any setting. It's absolutely adorable. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.